How to use Gjensidige car insurance Denmark properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Gjensidige car insurance is a leading provider in Denmark, but many drivers make mistakes that can cost them money or leave them underinsured. The surprising truth is that having a policy alone isn't enough. You need to know how to use it effectively. A common mistake is relying only on liability coverage. While it meets legal requirements, it won't cover damage to your own car. Comprehensive coverage is essential to protect your vehicle and finances, particularly if you own a new or high-value car. Misunderstanding deductibles is another pitfall. A low deductible reduces out-of-pocket expenses but raises premiums, while a high deductible lowers premiums but may leave you paying more after a claim. Choosing the right balance is important. Failing to update your policy is also a trap. Life changes like moving, adding a new driver, or purchasing a different vehicle can affect coverage. Not informing Gjensidige may result in delayed or denied claims. Many drivers overlook discounts. Gjensidige offers savings for safe driving, accident-free records, and bundle policies. Missing these can cost hundreds annually. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can slow payouts. Document damages, report incidents promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims representative to ensure smooth handling. By avoiding these mistakes, you can maximize Gjensidige car insurance Denmark. Ensure your coverage is appropriate, select the right deductible, update your policy regularly, use discounts, and understand the claims process. This keeps your insurance effective and provides peace of mind on every drive.